Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This is Huawei's brand new tri-fold smartphone, the Mate XTS, which just launched a few days ago. Now, even though I already had the chance to experience this three-fold design last year, every time I get my hands on it again, it still feels special. Honestly, it's an amazing piece of tech, really amazing. So, what exactly has Huawei improved on the Mate XTS? Let's dive in and break it down. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The unit I have here comes in a new color. At first glance, though, it doesn't look too different from the previous generation. No major design changes are obvious. The Mate XTS follows the same overall design language as the Mate XT, and even the weight and thickness remain unchanged. But for someone like me who has used the earlier model, that consistency is actually a good thing. It still feels solid, premium, and unique. Huawei's tri-fold design really stands apart. Now let's talk about what has changed. This time, the Mate XTS is powered by the Kirin 9020 processor, clearly shown in the system info. The camera system has also been upgraded. All three sensors now use the RYYB color filter, which makes a noticeable difference in low-light photography. The ultra-wide camera has been boosted from 12 megapixels to 40 megapixels, and there's also a new red maple primary color sensor, which helps a lot with accurate color reproduction. We took some sample shots and the results speak for themselves. But the biggest upgrades this time are actually on the software side. When unfolded, the Mate XTS gives you a 16:11 aspect ratio, 10.2-inch display with a 2232 by 31184 resolution, perfect for productivity. The software leans heavily toward a PC-like experience. The desktop supports a split-screen layout, multi-window stacking, and you can drag and resize windows just like on a computer. When you move a window near the dock, the system automatically adjusts screen space, making the large display even more usable. Most apps are already adapted for this layout, and the experience feels surprisingly close to using a real PC. One of my favorite features is panoramic multi-window. Just swipe up to trigger edge switching, making it super easy to jump between apps. You can run up to 3 apps simultaneously on the big screen. Huawei has even added a dedicated PC section in the App Store, with apps like stock trading platforms and DingTalk that work beautifully on the large display. While the number of optimized PC-style apps is still limited, more are definitely coming. Other apps like Station B, Xiaohongshu, and Today's Headlines are already well adapted, and using them across the triple-fold screen feels almost like native software. And of course, unfolding the phone never loses its wow factor. It always feels futuristic. Huawei also bundles the Mate XTS with its M Pen 3rd generation. It's not just for writing and drawing, you can also annotate globally with a simple click and even use a smart selection tool for quick answers. But here's the really cool part. The pen has an air mouse mode. With a quick switch, it turns into a mouse pointer, complete with a cursor on the screen. It's super handy during presentations or meetings. The only drawback is that the pen doesn't have built-in storage, so you'll need to use Huawei's official case to keep it safe. Overall, the Mate XTS is currently the most refined tri-fold device on the market. It works as a phone, a tablet, and even gives you a mini PC experience. The flexibility to switch between phone and tablet modes, along with growing PC app support, makes it more practical than ever. In short, this is a strengthened version of the already excellent Mate XT. Don't let the S in its name fool you. There are meaningful hardware upgrades here. Huawei is clearly leading the way in the triple fold category, while competitors still don't have any serious products on sale. Or, as one of my colleagues summed it up, it's not that the Mate XTS doesn't have enough upgrades, it's just that the Mate XT was already so good. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.